Hey guys, it's Yaya and welcome back to my channel. Today's DIY creation is an extra buttery pumpkin seed body butter, perfect for the fall and holiday gift giving. The perfect way to kick off the 2024 Oslove holiday series and introduce this season's giveaway. But first, I'll show you how I made this body butter using ingredients from the Oslove Organics Beauty Box. This beauty box can be customized to include butters of your choosing so that you can make your own DIY creations. So let's jump into the making of this ultra buttery body butter. Let's start with these natural and raw butters. The first butter is pure Sal Butter. This is what gives this recipe that extra butteriness. I don't have much experience with Sal Butter, but I have found that it is pretty dense and thick. This butter can stretch far, and a little truly goes a long way. I will explain more later in the video. The next butter is unrefined Cupuacu Butter. You guys have seen me use this butter often. Cocoa butter is like its cousin. They both kind of got like that cocoa-y, chocolatey aroma, but it is much softer than cocoa butter. Now we can combine our butters to melt them down. I am adding 60 grams of Cupuacu butter to 312 grams of Sal butter. You can use a double boiler to allow steam to gently melt your butters. Once the butters have melted, we can add the liquid oils while the mixture is still warm. The first oil is pumpkin seed oil, one of my favorite oils to use during the fall season. I love its rich color and its healing properties for hair and skin. I also use Kukui Nut oil from the Oslove Beauty Box. Kukui Nut oil is one of my favorite oils because it's light, non-greasy, and absorbs quickly in the skin. It has a bland odor, so it can be easily incorporated into a variety of DIY creations and products. Once you have added all of your oils, mix into uniform and then pour the mixture into a cooler bowl to place in the freezer or refrigerator for faster cooling. The time depends on batch size. Once the mixture has slightly solidified, it is ready for whipping. My butter started to get really stiff while whipping, so I added more oil to continue whipping to create a smoother butter. This lets me know that my butter to oil ratio was a little off for this dense butter. I knew I could yield more product just by adding more oil. So don't be afraid to adjust your formula or recipe when dealing with whipped butters. Adding more oils can definitely save your final product. Just be sure that the oils you are choosing are light, non-greasy, and absorb quickly. This butter is already looking so luxurious and buttery, so I will go ahead and add my heat-sensitive ingredients before whipping more. I added vitamin E as an antioxidant to protect my butters from oxidation. Then I added my own personal fragrance blend, which included pumpkin spices, vanilla, and a hint of pine. And it smells just like the fall. It smells so good and creamy. Lastly, I added a little bit of Buriti oil to add a little color to my body butter. After the final whip, this is how this extra buttery pumpkin seed oil body butter is looking. I really was not expecting the Sal butter to give so much. You literally only need a small amount of butter to oil to get a luxurious, rich butter.
Hello everyone, thank you so much for tuning in today. So the holidays is upon us right now and it's beginning to look really nice out. This is gift giving season and today I have this gift idea for you for the special someone in your life. So it could be actually yourself, it could be your husband, your dad, your brother, your uncle. This is a beard butter. So there's beer bombs out there and there's beer butters. So this one doesn't have like beeswax or any kind of wax. It's just a butter and it smells great and I'm sure they would really appreciate it. So I will be adding cedarwood essential oil to this beard butter because it smells really woody And I'm starting with some mango butter. So mango butter is one of the staples that you find in be it butter. And I went ahead to add shea butter as well, which is a very nourishing butter, as you know. And pumpkin seed butter is one of the main champions in this recipe, and it has high levels of omega-3 and omega-6 fatty acids. Is known to promote hair growth, healthy hair growth, and healthy skin. I would also be adding our unique blend of 12 virgin organic carrier oils in the recipe. So it does contain 12 different organic oils. I would also be adding some vitamin E to keep the beard nourished and soft. I'll then be adding the cedarwood essential oil like I mentioned earlier. So I'm just making a small batch today, so just melting that down like I usually do. And I'll be adding the essential oil after it comes out of the refrigerator. So here it is. I did not allow it to stay too long. I just wanted to get on with the process, which is often not a good idea, but you'll find out what happened.
Alright guys, to see the rest of the Oslove Organics video and learn some extra tips, be sure to click on the link in the description box and visit Oslove Organics YouTube channel. I want to also thank Oslove Organics once again for sponsoring this video and sponsoring the 2024 Oslove Holiday Series. We have partnered today to give away this extra buttery pumpkin seed oil body butter to 6 lucky winners. Be sure to enter below and read the description box carefully to avoid scams. If you don't want to wait for the giveaway, use code YAYAOSL20 for 5% off all orders on Oslove Organics website for the whole month of November. And that's it, guys. Thank you so much for watching. I truly hope you enjoyed this DIY and I hope you give it a try. Please like, subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.